We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Fane Toilet Plunger, Air Drain Blaster, Sink Plunger, Drain Clog Remover Tool, High Pressure Drain Blaster Gun. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include. Easy to use. The toilet plunger utilizes the power of high-pressure compressed air to blow away the toughest blockages in the drain in seconds. Simply compress the air first and pull the trigger, and the powerful toilet plunger can easily clear blockages. It is much faster than traditional plunger and snake cleaners, saving you precious time. Versatile and convenient. Our air plunger is designed to handle various blockages in different plumbing fixtures. It includes 4 suction cups of different sizes and a spill-proof plastic wrap. Suitable for toilets, bathtubs, showers, sinks, squatting pans, floor drains, and kitchen pipes. It effectively clears blockages caused by hair, cloth, tea leaves, grease, and oil. It comes with gloves for hygienic cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn clogs with our versatile toilet plunger. Eco-friendly and high-quality material. Made of natural rubber, our toilet plunger is both eco-friendly and safe to use. It eliminates the need for harmful chemical cleaners that can damage pipes and jeopardize your family's health. The plunger's high-quality construction ensures durability and reliability, making it a cost-effective and long-lasting solution for clearing blockages. High-efficiency dredging ability. With its high-pressure air power, the toilet plunger can effectively deal with a wide range of blockages caused by various types of debris such as hair, cloth, tea, leaves, and more. It is not only designed for toilets but also suitable for unclogging sinks, tubs, and other plumbing fixtures. The powerful suction generated by the toilet plunger ensures quick and efficient clearing of clogged drains, making it a convenient and effective tool for any household. Splash-proof tips. To ensure a clean and mess-free experience, it is recommended to cover the opening of the bathroom wash basin or pressure plunger with a plastic protective film before using the toilet plunger. This will create a barrier to prevent splashing water and debris from escaping during the plunging process. After using the toilet plunger, simply wash it with water and remove the protective film for easy cleanup. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.